Brad Falbert, president of Exhibitus. We're here at ExhibitorLIVE 2024, and the show this year feels as live and vibrant as it has felt in many, many years. It's been exciting being here in Nashville and a different venue, and I'm pleased that the show is actually moving around and drawing a different crowd. Back in the day, 30 years ago when I started the company, trade shows and trade show companies were about designing and building a booth. We still do that, but down through the years, what we've become and evolved into is an experiential marketing agency. Our clients are expecting us to be so much more strategic. It's not just about the exhibit, it's about the entire experience.
Welcome to Driving Experiences here at Exhibitus. Come on in and join the winner's circle.
With regards as an experiential agency, one of the things that I used as inspiration is really hearkening back to those days where I've had experiences that only got better with time. And so what immediately struck me was a Formula One type of event that I went to where it was really cool attending, but it only got better once I left the event. An hour later after I left, it was like, oh my gosh, that was better than I expected it to be. And so what I wanted to do is to emulate that in an experience here at ExhibitorLIVE, because what we do is curate those experiences for our targeted audiences that our customers are trying to reach and to inspire action.
Ultimately, our goal is to really get to know our clients and prospects and have meaningful conversations so that we can really listen and best align our services with their programs for face-to-face marketing experiences.
We're here to talk about the creative ideation that went into this experience. What we coach our partners to do is exactly what we've done here, which is stitch this experience into the overall marketing and business objectives of your company. What are your goals? Who's your audience? Target that audience and do something that resonates with them. The marketing messaging that we exhibit in ExhibitorLIVE and other channels on social media is expressed here in this three-dimensional space. So you see around you a representation of speed, energy, and experience that lasts. Everything that we've done here is inspired by this idea that when you walk away, it gets better over time. One of the things that we've done over the past 12 months is really start to involve AI in our process. So what we've done there is not develop anything creatively from a finished product standpoint with AI, but we use that as a thought starter. And we really want to involve our clients in the conversation about AI. So we're very transparent about leveraging that as part of the process, but not for the final product.
So we're really excited to be able to provide more content, everything from documentation to motion graphics to 3D content that really works with our clients' mission and story. This is an example of a splash reel for Exhibitus that talks through a lot of our capabilities, both digital as well as environmental. And then we have a lot of other video in the booth. For example, our Winner's Circle Champagne Pop Experience.
As we invite attendees to join us in our Winner's Circle, we invite them for a video or photo opportunity in front of our LED wall. They would take the champagne bottle, they would shake it up, and it would trigger just an overall great experience for any racer enthusiast like myself.
So I am responsible for providing the solutions for the wonderful designs that our designers come up with that involve technology. So what we have here is a custom built light fixture. This is made from pixel light inserted into custom bent HDPE plastic. We use a lot of pixel lighting in our booth experiences to help attract attention. So on the technology side, one of our other wonderful things that we have is we have a bank of 5 3D printers in our office, which we use consistently to help provide solutions for our customers. For this particular one, we have a custom modeled 3D printed bottle, circuitry on the inside of it. So we have an Arduino board that is embedded inside with an accelerometer. It has a Bluetooth connection to a video player on the inside. And then once the bottle is shaken, that accelerometer will send a signal to the video processor inside to change the video for our champagne celebration. Here we have all the fun stuff that runs the things that everybody sees and enjoys on the outside. backsides of LED walls, always a lot of cabling, power that has to go to it, signal that has to go to it, so things that have to be thought about as we build our exhibits. Computers running all of the monitors on the screens. So we have our bright sign player, which is what's controlling the LED wall. And this is our 3D printed case for our custom electronics that actually receive the signal from the 3D printed model. And this is what signals the bright sign player to change the video. And up top, we have our fancy bubble machine. It's been quite a hit. So a lot goes in to making the things that we do.
We have our custom scent running in the booth today in our Winner Circle booth. Scent is one of the 5 senses that is most related to memory. So we're really trying to cement the feeling of winning in our Winner Circle booth. This scent has lavender, vanilla, sandalwood, and a couple other key notes. It definitely epitomizes Exhibitus and also smells like something you would smell on the tarmac at a race.
So this year we're working with the Society of Automotive Engineers. Their foundation supplies STEM-related materials to underprivileged schools. So when everyone comes through our booth, we have them come over and sign these helmets. And for every signature that we have on here, we're going to make a donation to the SAE Foundation. And if they then come over and scan this QR code, we'll actually double their donation. It also gets to enter them in for a really cool prize that ties in with everything we're doing as well, which is this McLaren Formula One Lego kit.
One of the things that we do know that's so important in any experiential program is that what gets measured gets funded. And so through our results division here at Exhibitus, we really focus in on, with our customers, understanding where they are with their metric strategy, starting there as a point where we can jump off and figure out how to feed into a continual improvement program over time. And ultimately, in a digestible format, be able to exhibit the results that they are looking to accomplish for their programs and be able to report that back to their stakeholders at large.